What are we saying?
You know them videos where they literally chuck it on like that and it's on. Can you do that?
You just want to do that with this?
Yeah. This is from the Alfa Romeo Brera Pro Drive Edition. Pro Drive Edition, I know very little about. I know a little bit. Okay. Don't know it all, but they are limited numbers.
Have you got to be a pro driver to have one?
I think so, yeah. I think you've got to wear Sparco boots. That's not me.
You look like a dad.
I'm not pro drive. They made them quite special, really. Like leather dashes, leather doors, and
pretty things though.
They're a good-looking car, yeah. But they do. These leather dashes do suffer. So this is the second one we've seen. Unfortunately, leather dashes. Quite a lot of cars shrink in the sun. This is one of them. So I had a customer in this week talking to me about these Pro Drive editions, and when Pro Drive ordered the 500 from Alfa Romeo, they spec'd them all to have metal roofs. Alfa didn't read the brief and sent them all out with glass roofs.
No.
Yeah, so that car, it's got a glass roof. It's not an opening glass roof, and the headlining is completely plain, so you can't even see out of it either.
Wait, so hang on.
It's a pan roof. But
it's a pan roof, but you can't actually see through the pan because they've...
It's a flat headlining board, yeah. Matt can do a really good Chewbacca.
That is really good.
We'll leave that there. I'll finish that off in a minute, but should we check out this cool little Fraser Nash? So this was down at Warren's where we went last week.
Yep.
In for a hood and tonneau. Warren's built this from scratch pretty much. I think when they bought it, it came with the chassis, engine, rear differential, I think. Everything else is pretty much made.
So wait, it's all the panels and everything?
Everything. Yeah. Like I know he was saying he didn't have any brakes, so they had to cast new drums. Yeah.
That's nuts.
Yes, impressive. Plain black hood, yeah. And we're making it in a segmented way, so it's individual panels off of each bow.
Oh, and nice.
By doing that, we're eliminating having to put darts in, and they never look right. Always look really weird, and side to side you can never get them quite right. But by doing it segmented, it looks a lot cleaner. Yeah, it come out real nice.
Very nice. I like that. Is there any like secrets to finding good leather? I mean, don't tell them if there are, but
good one. Yeah, there is. A lot of the German stuff's good.
Because I remember when I went to the Lamborghini factory.
Did you go there?
I did. I had a tour and I stole. Lamborghini, don't watch this. I stole a patch. But they literally have a field at the back of their factory full of cows.
Do they really?
Yep.
Mind blow. Maybe that's what I need. I have to sort of meat, make the leathers.
Oh, poor cows. You can get vegan leather.
Yeah, vinyl.
Oh.
This is this Vanquish door panel, early car, and they tend to blow away from the door card here. It's quite a deep bowl, and the factory, I was working at the factory when these were trimmed, and I remember seeing the lads really struggling to feed in to the bowl, making sure that all this was clean, and later cars had a weird extra fillet which was trimmed, like an insert that sort of dropped into it, so then the lads, if there was excess material, could feed it in there, and it just made it a better job. I think they developed it further, made another door panel, but I can't really remember that one. But yeah, these were a struggle. So we're going to make new covers. Yes, they already stripped this and cleaned this right back, made sure this is completely free of any old adhesive. I still need a little bit more there, but it's 90% there. So yeah, we'll make some covers, refoam them because the foam was gone, disintegrated, as you can see there. It's going to turn to dust. Just make them perfect again. This is our pattern, and this is our master pattern for these doors. So we are creating points so we can deconstruct template on the new leather, sew it back together using these reference points, so we know that they go back in the same place. It's quite important, otherwise the covers won't fit.
What were you looking for with the leather there?
There's little imperfections there. They're like weird, just like bits of dirt like that. It's quite lumpy. I don't want that. So yeah, we'll mark that so we can cut around it rather than have it in the work. Right, so we have hit a little bit of a problem with this leather in respect of, I've ordered in this, which is the same as what the factory has used, but the leather that's come in is a shade or two out, mainly because they've started to use a different supplier, and the new supplier maybe isn't quite getting the formula right. So what we're going to have to do now is go back to all my swatches and probably spend half hour or more going through many different colours and see if we can get closer to this, because we're not trimming the whole car. We need to make sure it's right.
Yeah.
I don't want to use a substandard different colour because it just won't look right. We need to make sure it's the right colour.
You said a minute ago it's not like paint where you can mix and match.
Yeah, if it was like
if you were mixing paint formula and then you offered it to the car and you go, it's not quite right, you could then tweak it in a paint shop. You have that control. This is sort of out of our control, but we are controlling it in a way of we need to try and make it right. We need to see if we can find a different supplier again that has a better toning leather colour to the original stuff. So unfortunately this is on pause now until we get the right one. Not cool.
Not cool.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Join us next week. Hopefully we'll get on with these Maserati seats if I can get the embroidery sorted in time. We will be finishing up the 912 and there's another TVR being dropped off Monday.
Good stuff.
Yeah, that'll be a good one. Thanks for coming.
See ya.
See you next time.